farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dad said there is a farm that at the far end of this trail.
Yeah.
And what did you grow on the farm?
We grew all kinds of vegetables. Plus we had a pig farm.
Yeah, the pig farm. How many pigs did you have?
I don't know what.
Did you barbecue them?
We used to kill them there.
And
sell the
barbecue.
meat at our store.
Oh, you sell them?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How many pigs do you have? Did you have? How many pigs? Yeah. How many pigs did you have?
I would say at least half a dozen. I can remember that we had a pig. What do you call a pig house? You know.
Yeah. So then, where did you get the little piglets from?
What? Oh, they get the what?
Piglets, little ones, little pigs. Yeah.
We go to the farm and buy them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you would be selling the meat.
Yeah, that's right. Sell the meat in the store too.
And so you made a lot of money. Your general store was doing very well.
Yeah, the Chinese. Yeah, I started okay. They're fine.
Yeah. So why did your mother wanted to send you all out of here?
Huh?
If your store was doing very well, why did your mother want to send you all off? 1924, you left in 1913, so 1937.
Well.
You left 1937. Oh, here's the sign.
Well, that's the disc golf course.
Oh, disc. Okay, so where's the farm, Dad?
Our farm's right
in front of us?
here.
Okay,
Yeah, right here.
right here. How big was the land?
We had about 10 acres here.
That's all yours?
Well,
Yeah.
in those days you just
Just
the land was
claim the
there,
land, yeah. What about the other two general stores? Did they own any land here too? No?
Well, they didn't. Well, it's available. You just use the land, and that was it.
So then your family knows how to grow plants and vegetables.
And we raise, yeah, we
Pigs.
raise chicken and pigs, and we even have pigeons.
Yeah, did you barbecue the pork, the pig? No.
No, we just kill the pigs and then sell the meat.
Oh my goodness, wow. So then did you hire anybody? Were you hiring any butchers? So your dad did it?
Well, my brother, my brother Archie, he's good at doing that.
Okay.
He had the meat store.
Huh?
Uncle Archie had the meat store in Chinatown.
He had a meat store. That's where he learned his skill, right here. Yeah. He probably learned his butcher skill right on your farm here.
Yeah,
that's
right,
why he brought the skill to Chinatown and opened the butcher shop.
Yeah, that's right. Chinatown that way.
Right, okay. All right, so let's go back.